Hi you guys, welcome back to my garden. In today's video, I'm getting ready to start my spring cleanup for 2021. So it's about 52 degrees, maybe a little bit higher, but as you guys can see, I'm out here, no jacket, no vest on. It feels amazing. But I can't be fooled by these false temperatures because tomorrow the high is only supposed to be 36. I'm getting ready to start by just going in and just completely preparing this area for what's to come. Got the leaves up. I'm getting ready to go in, cut out a few roots, put some mulch down in this area right here because I started kind of like shaping in a new little planting area, so I'm gonna mulch that. But when you guys see the bag of mulch, freezer, 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 freezer. When I tell you this little beauty gets into so much stuff. She's very adorable, she's very sweet, but you definitely have to watch her. Literally, like, if you let her outside and she comes back to the door and you're not out at the door with her, you might want to go outside and check plants and everything because she will tear it up. But she's a sweetheart though. But let me show you what she did to this bag of mulch. It's between her and Pegasus. I'm not sure which one did it. I have everything cleaned up in this area. Do you guys do a big fall clean out, or do you have to do a big fall and a big spring clean out? Because we have some trees that hold on to their leaves, and then some of the leaves I will intentionally let lay in that area. That way it can kind of help protect the plants in that area. By my hydrangeas, I like to try to leave the leaves down, but in this area right here, I went ahead and I picked up all of the leaves over here. And I will be going in laying mulch everywhere, just mulch, but I'm gonna wait because we get these little helicopters that fly off a couple of the trees, and it really won't do me any good to put the mulch down and then to have to turn around and try to get those, because it'll literally be covered with those helicopters. Let me know, how warm was it in your area? Because it got up in the 50s for us today. Go ahead, drop your zone down below, drop your temperature for today. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And as always, I'll be showing you pictures later. See you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.